Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Cloudflare SSL certificate. To get started, open your Cloudflare account homepage in your browser. Once you are signed in, you'll arrive at the main account dashboard where your websites or domains are listed. From here, select the sample domain you want to work with. This takes you into the settings area for that specific website, which is where Cloudflare lets you manage security, performance, and DNS options. After opening the domain, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on SSL TLS. This section controls how secure connections are handled between your visitors, Cloudflare, and your origin server. If you are setting up an origin certificate, you are preparing secure communication between Cloudflare and your hosting server, which is an important part of a complete SL setup. Once you're inside the SSL TLS area, click on Origin Server. This is the section where Cloudflare allows you to create and manage origin certificates specifically for your web server. These certificates are different from the public-facing certificate your visitors see. Instead, they are used to secure the connection behind the scenes between Cloudflare and your server. Next, click Create Certificate. This opens the certificate creation screen where Cloudflare will guide you through the available options. At this stage, carefully follow the on-screen procedure. You may see settings related to how the private key is generated, which host names are included, and how long the certificate should remain valid. Be sure to review each field closely and choose the options that match your hosting environment and domain setup. As you go through this process, take your time reading the instructions shown on the screen. This is especially important because the certificate and private key will need to be installed correctly on your origin server after creation. A good tip here is to save the generated information in a secure location so it's easy to access during server installation. When you have completed the required fields and reviewed your selections, click Create to finish generating the certificate. After that, Cloudflare will provide the certificate details for use on your server. That's it. You've now gone through the process of creating a Cloudflare SSL origin certificate from the dashboard. Follow the remaining prompts shown in your account to complete any server-side installation steps as needed, and your secure origin connection will be one step closer to fully set up.